Today we will discuss about the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? What is the importance of photosynthesis? Now see the diagram. Look at the diagram. So what is there in the diagram? So this is the plant. So plant contain the leaves. Leaves are present in green color. So because the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green colored pigment. That's why leaves are present in green color. Now this plant is absorbing the water from the soil, water H2O, this is the H2O, water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, energy from the sunlight. By using all these things with the help of the chlorophyll, this plant is producing the oxygen gas. Along with that, it is also producing glucose molecule. Glucose is a organic molecule. So this process called photosynthesis. Now once see the definition. What is the definition of photosynthesis? The process by which green plants produce the organic molecules, complex organic molecules from inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water with the use of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Once again I will repeat, the process by which green plants produce complex organic molecules from inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water with the use of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex process. So many reactions will takes place in photosynthesis. Several reactions are taking place. To formulate the photosynthesis, scientists had taken the 200 years. First time, one scientist, his name is C.B. Van Til. His name is C.B. Van Til. C.B. Van Til. In 1931, C.B. Van Til, scientist, in 1931, he has given the simple equation for the photosynthesis. He formulated the photosynthesis. What is the equation of C.B. Van Til? See here, carbon dioxide CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to light, chlorophyll, then water formed carbohydrate molecule CH2O plus water molecule plus oxygen molecule. This is the simple equation of C.B. Van Til. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of light and chlorophyll. Carbohydrate molecule is formed, water molecule and oxygen gas is also released. This is the simple equation of C.B. Van Til. According to C.B. Van Til, this is the carbohydrate molecule. So for each carbohydrate molecule, for one carbohydrate molecule, to form the one carbohydrate molecule, one water molecule, one oxygen molecule is produced. According to C.B. Van Til, for each molecule of carbohydrate, one molecule of water molecule, one molecule of oxygen molecule is also produced. Along with that, C.B. Van Til worked on purple sulfur bacteria. Purple sulfur bacteria. C.B. Van Til also worked on purple sulfur bacteria and he found that light is playing an important role in the photosynthesis. In his experiment, what did he do? Actually, see here, carbon dioxide plus water. Photosynthesis takes place with the help of the carbon dioxide and water. Water molecule is also very important. So C.B. Van Til experimented on purple sulfur bacteria. This purple sulfur bacteria performed the photosynthesis by using all these things. In his experiment, he supplied all the things, but instead of water molecule, he supplied what? Hydrogen sulfide, H2S. Instead of water molecule, he supplied H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Then bacteria performed the photosynthesis by using these all things. Then after that, but here oxygen gas is not released. Instead of oxygen gas, which gas released? Sulfur gas released. Which gas? Sulfur. Instead of oxygen, sulfur gas released because he used the what? Hydrogen sulfide instead of the water molecule. Next, after few days, after some years, C.B. Van Til equation changed into the balanced equation. Now, if you see here, so this is the equation of C.B. Van Til. What is the modified equation of the photosynthesis? So now I am going to write about the modified equation of photosynthesis, that is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2 in the presence of light chlorophyll. 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of light chlorophyll, glucose molecule formula C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. This is the balanced equation of photosynthesis. Next, after that, here oxygen gas is released. Oxygen gas is releasing in photosynthesis. If you observe the oxygen gas, here two things are participating, carbon dioxide and water. From which molecule, carbon dioxide or water, from which molecule oxygen gas is releasing? Now you tell me, from which molecule? So Robert Hill scientist showed that oxygen gas is releasing from the, not from the CO2, it is releasing from the water molecule. He experimentally proved oxygen gas is releasing from the water molecule during the photosynthesis. So this was proved by the which scientist? Robert Hill scientist. And this is the modified equation of the photosynthesis. So once again I will repeat the photosynthesis, the process by which green plants produce the complex organic molecule by using the inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water with the use of sunlight and chlorophyll is called what we call photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, finally glucose molecule will be produced. So this glucose converts into the complex carbohydrates like starch and cellulose. Plants also produce so many materials by using the glucose. What type of material? Plants will produce the proteins, fats by using the glucose molecule. Once again I will repeat the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants synthesize complex organic molecules from inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water with the use of the sunlight and water is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex process. Photosynthesis takes 200 years to get the formula, and several reactions takes place in the photosynthesis. First time C.B. Van Til, the scientist C.B. Van Til in 1931, he formulated the photosynthesis. C.B. Van Til given the simple equation. C.B. Van Til given the simple equation for the photosynthesis. What is the simple equation? This is CO2 plus 2H2O gives rise to light chlorophyll, CH2O, H2O plus O2. This is the equation of C.B. Van Til. C.B. Van Til worked on purple sulfur bacteria, and he found that light plays an important role in the photosynthesis. Later on, Robert Hill showed that oxygen gas is releasing from the water molecule. Experimentally he proved. And this is the equation of the balanced equation of the photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants will utilize the carbon dioxide and water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they will produce the glucose molecule, along with that oxygen gas also releasing. So this is the glucose molecule. So then afterwards, glucose molecule converts into the starch and cellulose. Plants also prepare fats and proteins by using glucose molecule. So this is about the photosynthesis.